Hello friends, welcome to Codemaster. Today I am going to explain you about the free course which is offered by Microsoft. Everyone knows that AI and ML is the top graded technology in the IT industry. So if you get a chance to learn this technology as a free course from the top graded institute like top graded company like Microsoft, it will be very good, right? So today I am going to explain you how to take this course as a free from Microsoft. So come on, let us go inside the video. So we are going to see about this Microsoft AI Classroom, so which is offered by Microsoft. So this is a one-day course, and the course will be from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And here they are going to explain you about the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and virtual reality. And you are going to implement this machine learning models inside the cloud as well. So you know that Microsoft has its own cloud technology, that is Azure. So you're going to deploy your code inside the Azure as well. So this Microsoft AI Classroom starts from December 14th to December 19th. Between these days, you can register for any of this day, and you can take this course. And there are only limited seats available. If you have an idea to take this course, go soon and register for it. So otherwise you will miss the opportunity to take this course. And one more thing is the students also can take this course. So if you're a student, you need to get the confirmation from your college email ID. So I will explain you the process. And everyone knows that artificial intelligence and ML is the emerging technology in the IT industry. So you will be able to access the live chat as well. If you have any doubt, you can ask the doubts in the live chat. So it is a very good course, and this course is offered by NASCOM and Future Skills. So you will get the certificate from them. And coming to this course, first you need to register for it, and between 14 to 19 you can register for any of these days. And once you registered, you will get the email confirmation. And once you got the confirmation, you can attend the online session. So that is from 2 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And after you completed the course, they will send you assessment link. You need to take that assessment. So that assessment is like only 30 MCQ questions in 20 minutes, and you have a 3 attempts. If you get 60 percentage and above, you will get the participation certificate. Otherwise, you have a chance to take the retest. There are totally 3 attempts. You can clear the test, and there is no hidden charges for this course. It is totally free. And coming to the registration page, from 14 to 19, there are 6 sessions. You can register for any of these sessions. And once you register it, you can able to access this course. Coming to the topics and agenda, they have given the timings as well. From 2 to 2:05, there will be an industry leader and a subject matter expert. They will give a note like that. They have given everything. And the first module is data science, and second module is machine learning models on Azure. How you are going to build your machine learning models on Azure, so that you are going to see. And they have given the speakers who are going to mentor you in this course. And coming to this assessment and certification program, yeah, as I already said, they will be sending you the link. You need to take that, and there will be 20 minutes for 30 questions. And the assessment will be from 19 to 30. Between 19 to 30th, you can take any of these days. And resources, they have given some of the pre-read material. So once you click on this link, you can able to get some knowledge, basic knowledge on it. If you have this basic knowledge, it will be very easy for you to follow that course. And they have given some softwares as well. So you need to install all those software. Then you can able to easily work with them at the given time. So once you complete this, you can take the assessment. So now coming to the registration page, if you click on the register now, this registration page will open. Here you need to fill your basic details, and if you're a student, you need to give your institute name. And if you're a professional, you can give your company name and company role. Once you give register now, you will get the confirmation page like this. And your seat is reserved, and you will get a confirmation email. So I have got the confirmation email also from them already. So in the confirmation email, they have given the link for this event. So if you click on that link, I can able to view the session. And I have registered my session for 14th, so I will be taking my course on 14th. So they already mentioned like limited seats only available. So if you have an idea to take this course, register it soon and take this course. Don't miss this opportunity. Everyone start registering it. If you like this video, please subscribe to Codemastro. Thank you.